Welcome back to the History Lab here with Mr. Uhrig. Today we're going to go over the instructions for today's lesson, which is about the basics of economics. This assignment is very similar to what we worked on yesterday, which was about the foundations of government. I'll just go over here with you the objectives for today. I can use correct vocabulary to describe the basics of economics. I can identify the relationship between supply and demand. I can understand opportunity cost. I can describe the relationship between consumer and producer. Those are our three goals. Hopefully we'll be able to do those by the end of the day. So, on Google Classroom, you will find an assignment called The Basics of Economics. Whenever I ask you here, I say, on the stream in Google Classroom, here's the stream. That's where I would recommend you work out of. Click on the title of the assignment. So each assignment that I post has a title. Mr. Uhrig posted a new assignment, Chapter 1 Quiz, Foundations of Government. Everything has a title. So click on the title to find, to open up the assignment. Over here, it doesn't do this for me, but for you, once you click on this title right here, over here on the right side, there will be a little box that says Your Work, and then there will be a document with your name on it. Click that where it has your name. That is going to be your handout for the day. Your handout will look like this. Click run up and down here. You'll see that there are 10 things to do today. And we are going to be, again, if we go back to our directions, they're here and on the slides. Complete each part with the page numbers given from your Savas book. Write in complete sentences, and please use a different color font to type in, such as blue, green, or purple. Again, watch this YouTube video if you need more directions. And then 4, complete the exit ticket. The exit ticket is only giving you credit for attendance. If you do the exit ticket and only the exit ticket, you're going to fail the class. The exit ticket is just to record your presence in doing the work or getting like you were here at school that day. You'll get credit for that. If you leave your assignments blank, you'll have done the exit ticket, and it will be like you've been here every day, but you failed the class because you didn't do any of the assigned work. So, we need to go some people are probably confused, how do we get to our textbook? And when I model this for you, it's going to look different than the way it looks on your computer, so it's kind of hard to communicate. The first thing you got to do is you got to find this green button. Again, this is on the slides here. Maybe. Yes. So, find this button on Google Classroom Stream to access the online textbook. So, Savas Realize. I scroll down here a little bit to Savas Realize. It'll have you click a couple of times. It'll look like this for you. Take me there now. Click again, maybe. There it goes. It'll have you sign in, possibly. That's okay, too. It does take a little bit for it to get warmed up. That's fine. Now, see, it gives me students' names. It's not going to look like that for you. It might look like something like this or have an orange textbook here. So, World History, Social Studies, that's where we are. We're on Core Concepts. Citizenship and Economics. This little gray or purple button will pop up for you. Click that. Finally, you'll get here. Now, if you come back to the handout, you see here on pages 28 and 29. All the answers, all the information that you need, the answers, and anything else will be on those 2 pages. On your textbook here, you see you start out at page 18. So let's get to pages 28 and 29. I might have you the back and the next. That's how you flip through the pages. Finally, you will get to page 28. Remember, we're on 28 and 29. So this page here, Economic Basics, 28 and 29. Everything you need to know is on those 2 pages. It's pretty simple. So, definitions, asking you to know the difference between opportunity cost, some more definitions, and final one last question. So that is all. Once you do that, you go back into Google Classroom and you turn in the assignment, and you're good for the day. Not as much as assignment from yesterday. Pretty simple, straightforward, except a little clicking is required to get to the textbook. If you have any questions, email me, message me. Good night and good luck.